Hey gamers, what's up? Back again with another video. So today we are going to create a schoolhouse. As you see, I've already started. I haven't done much yet, but I'm probably gonna change this. I've only put a few desks down or whatever, but let's get to the video. I'm probably gonna speed this part up, so I'll see you when I start talking again. Bye. So this is gonna be one of the main rooms. Let's make this locker room. And we'll probably make another room lockers, so let's do this little tiny room. Yes, I know I blocked the stairs, but people aren't gonna need to go up there. So let's put some stuff on the stairs. How about we do some plants? No, we need something to cover it. Like, that can be the teacher's lounge up here. So let's put some nice tea. Okay, wait. Okay, here we go. Or should we put it? Okay, this is their lounge. That other place is where they eat their food. So all upstairs is where the lounge is for the teachers. Okay, let's put some more TVs in here. Here, let's see. Let's try and make them all blue. So we have to go buy some more TVs. Okay, let's go buy some more TVs. Here, let's see. Just place these here. Now we can just put one TV in here. Now I need to put seats. Okay, there's no seats. Okay, let's see if something for couches. No, I'm just kidding. Here. We're just gonna put 2 in every room. Okay, so that's all the couches. How about we add some, like, plants and stuff? Let's put a lot of plants in here. It's the biggest room. And we don't need that. Okay, there's plants. And we'll have these 2. Oh, we need to block this off then. Let's see if it's in with palm trees. No, okay, so then we're not gonna do palm trees either. We're just gonna do bamboo. If you're asking why I have a lot of plant / nature stuff, is because I have done like nature dens, sort of nature dens. Let's say that. Okay, so we blocked it off, and then how about we just go around this? Oh, sorry. Just enough. Okay. Oh, how about we add some of these somewhere? Okay. That's okay. Now let's just take all of these down. Okay, let's do... So we'll put one in there. Wait, does this even fit in here? Barely. Okay, I don't even know if they sell those anymore. Let's find out if they sell them anymore. Because I don't think they do. Oh. Okay. Let's try to put another one. Maybe I should make more space for the... Yeah, okay, how about we take this off and then just like put it up the stairway. There we go. Oh. There. Okay guys, it looks like we've run out of time, so unfortunately this is the end of the video, but don't worry, I'll make part 2. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye!